All right, let's talk about a totally different way to think about building real wealth.
So, I've got a question for you. In today's economy, are you just a participant or an owner?
And the difference is huge. Think about it. Usage without control versus equity with control. See, most of us are just participants. And honestly, that's a huge problem for building any real wealth.
When we act alone, our money is fragmented. It's basically a systemic drain on our wealth.
But what if we could totally flip that around? What if we could turn that fragmentation into power?
Well, here's how. By pooling resources, we create something way more powerful: collective leverage.
And what does that get you? We're talking more buying power, better deals, and shared risk.
Okay, sounds great, right? But how do we actually build a model for shared ownership?
The core idea is simple. You align your participation directly with your ownership of the asset.
And look, this isn't built on hope. It's a real structure with 4 key pillars. And this model opens up a whole new world. Assets once out of reach are now on the table.
Okay, let's be real for a second. There are definitely some major barriers to overcome here. We're talking about things like financial illiteracy, a lack of trust, and complex regulations. But you can overcome them. This model, the CPIN engine, gives us a step-by-step process.
So there you have it. That's the playbook. This is the exact conversation we need to have.
It all comes down to this one question. How do we actually organize to own?
And that's exactly what we're going to dive into. Join the discussion. Let's talk about it.